So this is another question from General Aptitude of NET November 2020. So we have to find the shortest distance between the parallel lines A and B in the following figure. So here line A and B. So this is origin. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. So from this we see. So this is the triangle with side 2. So we have to find shortest distance. So we have to find this. So if we draw this, so it will be square with side 2, and this will be, so if we take right A B C, so OA BC is a square, okay, with side 2 unit, okay. So therefore the diagonal, the length of diagonal OB will be root 2 into side, that is 2. So the shortest distance, so this we have to find this. So this will be, the shortest distance will be this diagonal OB by 2, that is half of this diagonal will be the required shortest distance between these two lines A and B. So therefore this will be this root 2. So options are given, this. So root 2. So this option is right. So you can do this same problem by other approaches. So one of, you can use total as, so this is a right angle triangle. So we get this OAB. So therefore the rule, by Pythagoras rule, we can write AB square equal to OB square plus OA square. So this is 2 square. So therefore this will be 2 into 2 square. So AB will be 2 into 2 square. So that is 2 root 2. Okay, so this AB is 2 root 2. So now we have to find this, and this is right triangle. So now if you take this as OA and this is D, so we have to find this. So here this is right triangle. So therefore opposite of right triangle is the OA, which square will be, so there this is 2, and we find that this value, this total value is 2 root 2. So this is middle point. So this 2 root 2 and this is 2 root 2. So therefore this will be 2 root 2. So now we apply. So take this as x square, this as x, or you can take as OD square, and this will be plus root 2 square. So therefore OD square will be OA square, that is, this is 2 square, that is 4, minus this is 2, so therefore 2, therefore OD equal to root 2. So you can apply this Pythagoras rule to solve this problem also. So the ultimate answer will be root 2. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I will discuss more questions from General Aptitude of CSIR NET exam.